Have you ever wondered if there's someone out there who looks just like you? With the internet's power, you can find your doppelganger using various sites and apps. For instance, Twin Strangers allows you to upload a photo and connect with potential lookalikes among its 9.5 million users, though it requires a paid account after 5 free searches. My Twin Finder uses reverse image search to match your photo with images across the web, while I Look Like You and Twinlets offer straightforward matching within their platforms. You can also utilize Pinterest's search feature to find visually similar images or Family Search's Doppelgänger function to connect with family members. For a fun twist, the Celebs app identifies celebrity lookalikes, and apps like Star by Face and Google Arts and Culture help you find famous or artistic doubles. If you're adventurous, Google Lens lets you search for similar images across the internet. Happy searching!